Yo, what's up, everybody? Keeping it real, FOREX King back for a weekly Forex forecast for the week of, we're going to start off Monday to Friday. So the week of the 20th, which just starts on the Sunday, to the 25th, which is a Friday, but mainly focus on Monday through Fridays because, Sundays be like so in the market. So, and Tuesdays through Thursdays usually the best times to trade. Hint, hint, in the market. Because Mondays you just don't know, Fridays you just don't know, because of the liquidity and the end of the week, the trading week in the forex market. So back to this forecast. Look at Sunday. As you can see, nothing too crazy going on. Just credit card spending for the New Zealand pair. But then Monday you have like low impact news events. Tuesday, a lot of low impact news events, a lot of news for GBP. If you trade that currency pair, but it's low impact. Wednesday, a lot of low impact news events affecting the US dollar. And there is like some medium impact news for GBP and then for the Canadian dollar. But then you have Thursday and Friday, which is holidays, because right now, this week is the holiday season. You got like Christmas, you got different holidays people celebrated. So Thursday and Friday, the market's going to be dumb slow. So this week, probably you should do good risk management, not trade too crazy, because the market is going to be kind of sorry, you could say. Like, so nothing too crazy is going on. So you don't want to end up blowing your accounts on a low liquidity day in the market. That's just my opinion. So definitely trade what you see, not what you think. Now let's look at this charts real quick. Let's look at Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin's the move. I feel like every December, Bitcoin is definitely the move. What happened last year, Bitcoin went up, and then beginning of next year, it just tanked. But we'll see if it's going to continue to go up. I believe it's going to continue to go up, but that's just my opinion. So this week been a great rally for Bitcoin. We reached 23,000 as of now mark. So we broke 20,000. Now we're at 23,000. Probably get to 30 sometime next year. So I do see Bitcoin continue to go up for this week. It might not be too much volatility, so it's going to gradually go up, maybe consolidate a little bit. And let's look at XRP/USD. So it seems like XRP finally wants to come back up again. So right now, I do see it potentially consolidating and shooting back up, to the 63 cents area. Maybe play around and shoot back up to the 74 area. And let's look at the Euro GBP pair. So this pair, let's go to the daily chart. So look at this pair. This pair had a crazy downtrend and shot back up. So right now it's playing around. It looks like it does want to come back up. There's a lot of support created. So I do see it potentially come back up to the 0.92 area. So we'll see what happens. It probably won't go up too crazy this week because the market, there's a lot of holidays, especially Thursday, Friday, and low liquidity in the market. So we'll see. Probably a slow consolidation week, but we'll see. And then those who trade the Dow, man, the Dow just doing what it does, crazy highs. So right now it's an uptrend. It's probably going to go slow this week because, like I said, it's a holidays coming up. So the market's probably going to be consolidating a little bit this week before it shoots back up. But still over an uptrend. So look for buy opportunities. Be safe for the long run. Now for my gold traders, gold finally shot back to 1880 area. So I do see gold potentially going, well, for this week coming up. I don't expect too much liquidity, but we could be around the 1900, playing around to the 1870 areas. But like I said, the consolidation, the week ending consolidation, so the market could continue to slowly break out of consolidation into the zone area before it decides to shoot back up, or the market could decide to consolidate back down the zone area before it shoots back up. But there's not that much volatility this week, but we'll see. But overall, gold is still an uptrend. It might retrace down before she's back up. And then for AUDUSD, that's been on a crazy ride. The dollar's weak. If you look at the dollar index, the dollar's not doing well. And right now the Australian, pair, like Australian dollar is pretty strong. So definitely for uptrend moves, we're around the zone area. So I do see the market playing around this area for this week, potentially creating highs, but literally just playing around this area. Let's go to the daily chart real quick. We need to see something. So yeah, we're in a strong supply zone area. So I do see the market just playing around this area. Daily chart, just playing around this area before she's back up and breaks it. And then for GBPJPY, this pair, so this pair has been consolidating. I do see a pair potentially slowly trying to come back up before shooting back down and then shooting back up. I do see like consolidation pretty much. Or if it shoots back down, we're going to play around this area before we shoot back up. Because right here, it's a trend line for buy opportunities. So if it comes right down here, we will shoot back up to the supply zone area. So markets can slowly just drop down and slowly drop back up. So look at pretty nice consolidation, up and down movement I see potentially. And then for GBPUSD, so this pair, I do see it, playing around, continue to go upwards. You see playing around and to continue to go upwards. Since we're in this demand zone area, I do see it playing around this area before she's back up. And that's pretty much it. Definitely check out what's happening in investing.com, especially with this coronavirus, because the vaccine rollouts happened. That's why the market's been crazy last week, because people getting these vaccines now, and they have new COVID-19 strand spreads more quickly. So that's in London. So that could cause some problems. And he has 10 million corona cases. So yeah, pretty much just definitely check this invest.com and see what's happening with the whole coronavirus, because it does affect the market. And like I said, trade what you see, know what you think. You should be okay. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Right now, we out here. Peace.